regarding the GNRR. And like in the US already they started having losing muscle mass with the long-term usage of this one. Like how to manage kissimum and chow, and what are the precautions you have to take, and what is the long-term status of this GPA terms.
Yes, that's a wonderful question, and many patients do ask this question in our clinical setting. Muscle loss, muscle wasting may be there because patient will lose weight. In that lost weight, there will be fat loss as well as the muscle loss. Only thing we can do is patient has to continue weight training exercises, daily physical activity, and adequate protein intake so that the muscle mass can be reserved. Ideally, we say 1 gram per kg of body weight protein requirement per day is required. Most of the Indian population do not even achieve this amount of protein intake per day. So if patient concentrates on high protein diet and continues to build muscles with strength training exercises, then the muscle loss can be prevented. But that is one of the side effects of this group of medications. Coming to the long-term effects, the studies are still going on. Liraglutide and semaglutide have been in the market since a long time. Tirzepatide is the new medicine which has come in picture now. So far, patients complain only of bloating, abdominal distension, because the mechanism of action of these group of drugs is it reduces the gastric empty, integrates the gastric empty, and that's how it improves satiety and reduces the oral intake. That's how patient loses weight. So one side effect is bloating. Apart from that, no major events have been documented so far. Only time maintenance.
So the most important thing is structured strength training. Just like weekly twice or thrice in some strength training.
They recommend 30 to 45 minutes of daily physical activity at least 5 days a week. In those 5 days, it should not be only stamina building or not only, patient should not be doing only cardio exercises. At least 3 days, there should be strength training exercises.